Are you ready? My name is Thelindabradley and I'm with Princess House. One of the things that I love to do is to make packages discounting the products that you love. And I have a big package today and I'm super excited about it. So let's just get right into it. If you're not familiar, Princess House has been in business since 1963 and I've been with the company since 1983. So I am celebrating my 40th anniversary. Wait, since 84. 40th anniversary. I got married in 83. All right, so here we go. This is a package that you're absolutely going to love. It has so many different items that it's just incredible. So let's just start off with the best. I can't even say the best one because there's so many. This is our high power blender. It's the #1 selling item in the Princess House line, and it has been for 5 years. I'm not going to tell you more about it because you should already know. I have plenty of videos on this. I don't mean to be rude. It's just I have so many items to show you. I'm afraid I won't get through them all. So high power blender, #1, you're going to want this item. For those that do big cooking, a lot of people have asked me for the big stock pots. This is a 40-quart stock pot, and it's really nice because it comes with dividers and it comes with a rack, so you can use it as a tamalera, all right, and make your tamales and have all different flavors. It's also great for stew and soup and lobster boils and anything like that. I'm just going to go right down the line and just make it, maybe I won't. Let me do this one next. So this is a 15 quart, right? That's 40. This is 15. So this is more if you don't have the really big things or, one day you're just going to cook a little bit. This also has the rack. And you can also make your tamales in here. It just doesn't have the dividers. Also good for soup, stews, all those things that I was telling you about. This is not in the regular catalog, so you can't get it all of the time. We have some brand new items that I want to show you, and they are included. And these are our brand new cast iron items. They have a gorgeous blue color. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. This is a 5-quart casserole, and inside it has that creamy white finish. It's so nice to cook with cast iron. Your foods come out so rich and savory. Then I'm also going to give you the cast iron comal, also in that gorgeous blue enamel on the back. And this is 13 inches that you will love to cook on. So when you go to cook, you're going to need some prep things. #1, I'm going to give you our cutting board. What's nice about this is it does have a well to trap your juices, but it also has silicone on the edges. So when you go to cut, it stays. It doesn't move. And then 3 of the prep knives. These are all really nice. They are non-stick. They do come with the sheaths. They have a foam handle that's really comfortable if you have arthritis or any hand issues. They're very lightweight. They feel really nice in your hand. So this is the chef's knife. Then we have a Santoku knife. All right, these are all good for anything that you need, meats, vegetables. And then here is a serrated blade that's also good for breads and your rind fruit. Okay, also for lots of chopping, this is our chopper. Love this piece. Use it for so many things. It comes with 3 different attachments. One's for your soft foods, strawberries, mushrooms, hard-boiled eggs. One has a small dice, and then one has a large dice. All right, let's see what else, because I know I don't want to forget anything. Here is a 10-inch skillet. This is the size that I use the most. It can take you from breakfast all the way up until dinner because it's just the perfect size. I am a huge tea drinker, and so one of my absolute favorite items is the Princess House electric tea kettle. You can boil up to 7 cups in minutes flat. It's amazing. And obviously you can use it for way more than just teas. Anything that you need to boil water fast for, it works really nice, and it just sits on that electric element. And then brand new, you've never seen these. They're brand new. Right now, they're only available for hosts. This is our new Stovetop espresso maker. So not only do a lot of people drink espresso, but espresso is used in a lot of coffee beverages. So you're going to love this item. And then they're going to give you 2 of our tumblers. These are ceramic, so they're ceramic inside, safe, no lead. You don't have to worry about anything like that. Use them for cold or hot, and they are insulated. So this whole entire, oh, I did forget some things. Hold on. There's two more things I don't have, but I wanted to show them. So one of them is our hot and cold container. And this one has an area inside that you can have two different types of products in there. It either keeps it hot or cold. And then the last item is a 5-quart braiser, which is a perfect size to use on your stove. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 items. This is a huge value. You are saving over 50%. I can give you everything here for $1,395. Now listen, make payments. You can make 10 payments of $139.58 and it's yours. It can ship anywhere in the United States. Just reach out to me, Thelindabradley at gmail.com. I use customer and hostess specials to make these packets work. This one is good up until February 17th. You just need to start your layaway by that date. There are some adjustments that I can make. So if you're like, oh, Linda, I already have this. Can I have something else? Call me, email me, and we'll work on that. But this package is incredible. You're saving so much money and getting some of our big ticket items. The price of this whole package is the price of the blender and the 40 quart. That's how much they sell for. That's it. And you're going to get all this other stuff. So yep, reach out to me. I'm really excited about this package and it was a lot of fun to put together. Thelindabradley at gmail.com. Make sure you like, share, subscribe so that you never miss another special because I am the queen of layaways. See you next time.